Hey there! Welcome to another mind-bending journey through the cosmos. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what secrets it holds? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. Today, we're diving into 10 amazing facts about space that will change how you see the universe. From giant stars to silent voids, we're about to explore some of the most incredible wonders of the cosmos. Let's start with something truly massive. Scuti, the largest known star in the universe. This behemoth is over 1,700 times the size of our Sun. To put that into perspective, if Scuti was placed at the center of our solar system, it would stretch beyond Jupiter's orbit. Imagine that, a star so big it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Jupiter whole. Our most advanced telescopes can barely capture its immense size. It's a reminder of just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Now, let's talk about something you might not expect: the silence of space. Despite what movies might have you believe, space is completely silent. There are no whooshing sounds of spaceships or dramatic explosions. Why? Because space is a vacuum, and sound needs a medium to travel through. Without air or any other substance, sound waves have nothing to move through. Imagine floating in space, surrounded by absolute silence. It's both beautiful and eerie, isn't it? Here's a fact that might make your head spin. On Venus, a year is shorter than a day. Venus takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun, but 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis. That means a single day on Venus lasts longer than its entire year. Imagine celebrating your birthday before the day even ends. It's just one of the many quirks that make Venus such a fascinating planet. Now, let's talk numbers. Big numbers. Did you know there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches combined? It's true. The observable universe contains hundreds of billions of galaxies. Each of those galaxies holds billions or even trillions of stars. Next time you're at the beach, pick up a handful of sand and think about that. Each grain represents an entire star, with potential planets orbiting around it. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? Let's dive into one of space's most mysterious objects: black holes. These cosmic giants are so massive that they warp the very fabric of space-time. As you get closer to a black hole, time itself begins to slow down. This isn't science fiction. It's a real phenomenon called gravitational time dilation. If you were near a black hole, time would pass more slowly for you than for someone far away. It's like traveling through time, all because of the intense gravity of these cosmic monsters. Now, let's turn our attention to our very own star, the Sun. Did you know that the Sun makes up 99.86% of the total mass in our solar system? That's right. All the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets combined only account for a tiny fraction of the mass. The Sun's immense gravity keeps everything in orbit. Its energy sustains life on Earth. Without the Sun, our solar system as we know, it simply wouldn't exist. Speaking of sustaining life, let's talk about water in space. We often think of space as a dry, empty void, but that's not entirely true. Scientists have discovered enormous clouds of water vapor in the universe. Some of these clouds contain enough water to fill 140 trillion Earths. These massive reservoirs of water are often found near distant black holes. They provide important clues about how water, and potentially life, formed in the early universe. Now, let's explore something incredibly dense: neutron stars. These cosmic objects pack the mass of a star into a body no bigger than a city. How dense are they? A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. The gravity on a neutron star's surface is so strong, it bends light and warps space. These stars form when massive stars explode in supernovae. They're some of the most extreme objects we've ever discovered in space. Let's take a trip to one of the most intriguing moons in our solar system: Saturn's moon Titan. Titan is unique because it's the only moon with a thick atmosphere. Its atmosphere is rich in nitrogen, similar to Earth's. But that's not all. Titan's surface is covered in lakes and rivers. However, these aren't filled with water, but with liquid methane and ethane. The Moon's thick, hazy atmosphere gives it an orange glow. Scientists are studying Titan to better understand the possibility of life beyond Earth. For our final fact, let's visit Mars and its incredible Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons is the largest volcano in the entire solar system. This massive shield volcano stands at an incredible 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers tall. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Its base is about the size of the state of New Mexico. Olympus Mons is a testament to the intense geological activity that once occurred on Mars. It's a reminder of how different, and yet how similar, other planets can be to Earth. There, you have it. 10 amazing facts about space that show just how incredible our universe really is. From giant stars to strange moons, space is full of wonders that continue to amaze us. But remember, these facts are just the beginning. There's still so much more to discover and learn about the cosmos. What do you think? Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below.